Okay, we are on 2004, letter C, number 1, letter C, and continuing from our previous video. So letter C wants to know the average value of the traffic flow. So think of that. Average value gives us a little hint it's probably going to be the integral average value of a function. Yeah, average value of the traffic flow, which is f of t. Okay, so I had to do a little bit of translation there, but they said the average flow, the traffic flow, average value of traffic flow, is average of f of t over the interval from 10 to 15. Okay, and you have to indicate your units. Sometimes they don't tell you to indicate units, but you still would. So average value, we know this, it's 1 over b minus a. Can we just put 1 over 5? Sure, 15 minus 10. And then you use those same bounds. There's 10 and 15 for our limits. And then f of t dt. And again, I don't have to write the whole function because everybody knows what f of t is in this case. And then I can just put this in my calculator. So if you know how to do these, this is quick. So before I do math 9, I'm going to put the fraction in. 1 divided by 5. I like parentheses when I do fractions. And then I'm going to hit math 9. It's 10 on the bottom. 15 is the upper limit. F of t is, I put it in y1. Thank goodness, right? It saved me a lot of time. Dx. Average value, 81.899. Not going to worry about rounding. And they wanted units. Now let's look back and see what kind of units we're looking at. We want the average value of the traffic flow. Well, I think traffic flow is cars per minute, because that's what they told us originally. Okay, that's it. That if you recognize these words, this is like a 1-minute answer. So here we go, letter D. Average rate of change. So, okay, average rate of change. Hopefully you'll have that memorized, and that's f of b minus f of a over b minus a. It's just the slope of the secant line. So that's going to be f of, they said over 10 to 15. F of 15 minus f of 10 over 15 minus 10, we know that's 5, right? So let's put that in our calculator, and let's do it the quickest way possible. Let's do, I think I'm going to do it like this. Y1 of 15 minus Y1 of, what was it, 10? Oops, I forgot parentheses. So I don't have to worry about parentheses. I'm just going to get that answer and hit divided by 5. And there it is, 1.517. We're not going to round. And here we go, 1.517. And they want units again. They want the rate of change of the traffic flow. So if the traffic flow is cars per minute, then the rate of change is going to be cars per minute squared. And I'm not going to explain that right now, but cars per minute squared. If you just had cars per minute, you'd be almost there. Okay? The biggest thing there is to get your average rate of change. All right, that's it. That was 2004, question 1.